Step 1, you gotta open up InShot. I know it looks like Instagram, just open it. Select the video that you're going to use. I'm gonna show you this cool new trick I just found out. Tap on filter, and then once you're there, go to filter again. And we don't want those annoying Instagram type of filters, so go to adjust. Now this is very important, okay? Play around with all these tools, but what I like to do is go to saturate and just increase the slide, and god, it looks beautiful. You can tap that button in the lower right corner to see the original, and oh my god, the difference is it's some gray shitty gameplay and now it's some beautiful. There are some games which are extremely colorful, so you don't want to do that in those gameplays. There's some parts where I'm actually closing my screen recorder, so I just trim those out. Now we're just going to add some text. I think this app is better for adding text than iMovie. Choose a good font. You can also choose some good animation for the font. Then you just trim the text for however long you want it to be there. You can add more stuff, but I wanted to keep it simple for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Now once that's done, I will just open it up in iMovie, and this is where I add the music, the voices and everything. So yeah, just play around with it. Oh, and also, don't use this song. Please just search for some good non-copyrighted songs. I mean, it's a good song and all, but people use it in like tutorials and stuff. Now we're just gonna make the thumbnail in Photoshop Fix. So go to adjust, go to saturation and just drag that across. My god, it looks so much better. I'm also gonna increase the highlights to make that light look way better. Let's just save the image. Now I'm gonna edit the photo in InShot again. Tap on canvas and choose 16:9 for YouTube. Let's just add some good text to it. How about this is just an example, by the way. Alright, let's edit the text now. Just increase the borders and stuff. Now let's open up Photoshop Mix. Make a custom canvas, name it whatever you want, but the width and the height have to be the same. So let's open up the image and say no to that guy. Now, what is the first thing you should do when you have the image open? That's right, saturate it. Oh my god, it looks like a masterpiece. Anyways, I just have this cutout of Call of Duty Mobile. I'll just place it anywhere. There you go. Once I was done with the thumbnail, I opened up InShot and I thought of making a short intro. So I just added my name as a text on a black screen, and I add some animations and stuff. So you should do that too. Also, don't forget to saturate it. Anyways, I'm done with editing, so let's just see it. Oh my god, that's probably the best one I've done.